Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Museums and art galleries should concentrate on local works rather than showing the cultures or artworks from other countries. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Museums and art galleries are a place to preserve and promote the work of art as well as history. Some people consider them a place for local art only to motivate the local artists and showcase their work to localities only. However, the opponents favor putting the international artwork as well as cultural objects from other nations for the purpose of variety and expanding their reach. To start with the need to keep local artwork in the museums and art galleries, by emphasizing the local art can be proven the best way to support local culture, history, and traditions. This can be one of the best way to foster a strong sense of pride as the natives find something belonging to them. The local artists can be supported when their innovation and creativity get identity and admiration, which further encourage them to continue making efforts in the same field. Apart from this, the locals are interested in adopting art as their profession. In turn, this not only boosts the local economy but also keep indigenous and historical art forms alive for the future generations. However, the international artwork adds diversity and educational value in the museums and galleries, ultimately attracting more visitors. It can provide opportunity for the people to explore and experience art from different cultures and artistic traditions, which further promotes cross-cultural dialogues. Furthermore, there can be greater empathy and understanding among people from different backgrounds. For instance, Madame Tussauds Museum has all artistic work from different nations, and is also available in many countries not only in Europe but Asia, Australia as well. In conclusion, museums and art galleries are dedicated spaces for the artwork, so differentiating the art on the basis of geographical boundaries can be injustice towards it. There is need to have balanced approach, so space must be provided for both. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.